Good morning, Jean.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jean.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
How are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm fine too.
Good to hear.
I'm fine too.
Good to hear.
Did you just wake up?
Yeah,
Did you just wake up?
yeah.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, pretty well.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, pretty well.
What time did you sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
What time did you sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
Why so late?
I was using my phone.
Why so late?
I was using my phone.
Social media?
Yes, I was scrolling through Facebook.
Social media?
Yes, I was scrolling through Facebook.
Do you use a lot of social media?
Yes, I do.
Do you use a lot of social media?
Yes, I do.
What do you use?
Facebook.
What do you use?
Facebook.
Do you use Instagram?
No, just Facebook.
Do you use Instagram?
No, just Facebook.
Can I add you on Facebook?
Sure,
Can I add you on Facebook?
sure.
Do you chat often?
Only with friends.
Do you chat often?
Only with friends.
Are you free tonight?
Yes, after dinner.
Are you free tonight?
Yes, after dinner.
Can I message anytime?
Yes, of course.
Can I message anytime?
Yes, of course.
Should we talk then?
Sure, no problem.
Should we talk then?
Sure, no problem.
Hey, Sarah.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Hey, Sarah.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you busy?
No, not really.
Are you busy?
No, not really.
Where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
Where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
What do you do?
I am a nurse.
What do you do?
I am a nurse.
Oh, wow, I see.
And what about you?
Oh, wow, I see.
And what about you?
I am a teacher.
Oh, that's great.
I am a teacher.
Oh, that's great.
How was the exam?
Honestly, kind of hard.
How was the exam?
Honestly, kind of hard.
Really? I found it okay.
Lucky you.
Really? I found it okay.
Lucky you.
Which part was difficult?
The last section.
Which part was difficult?
The last section.
Yeah, that was tricky.
I guessed some answers.
Yeah, that was tricky.
I guessed some answers.
Same here.
Let's hope for good results.
Same here.
Let's hope for good results.
Fingers crossed.
Definitely.
Fingers crossed.
Definitely.
Let's not stress about it now.
Yeah, you are right.
Let's not stress about it now.
Yeah, you are right.
Want to grab lunch?
Yes, I'm starving.
Want to grab lunch?
Yes, I'm starving.
What's up?
Oh, hey, I'm good.
What's up?
Oh, hey, I'm good.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the office.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the office.
Are you going early?
Yes, I am.
Are you going early?
Yes, I am.
But why?
I have a meeting.
But why?
I have a meeting.
What time?
At 9 a.m. sharp.
What time?
At 9 a.m. sharp.
Any plans after work?
I'll go shopping.
Any plans after work?
I'll go shopping.
Want me to join?
Sure.
Want me to join?
Sure.
Good luck today.
Thanks, Paul.
Good luck today.
Thanks, Paul.